Hello everyone, in this video we're going to review an app named Phone Color Screen. If you are tired of your boring calling screen, you can easily download this phone color app from Play Store or from my description below. I select this phone color screen app because this app has too many good ratings and this app has too many color screens in it. For full review of this app, please watch my full video, hit like and press subscribe button. Main reason of selecting this phone color screen app, it has very good rating, user experience, and this app is very simple and very useful and very easy to use. After installing this app, we're going to open it. It takes some time to open. This app is loading now. Look at that fire. Imagine the feelings when everyone is calling you and you are looking this fire instead of your ordinary calling screen. How cool is that? This app has too many screens. I'm showing you. You can see this is torch. This app has also torch facility. Look at that. These all screens are amazing. This is bubbles screen. Look at that. Bubble screen. And we're going down. And also you can set this app's settings with your mood or with your choice. This app take only 10 to 11 seconds to apply any screen on your calling screen and you are going to enjoy a different experience of your phone. You only need to select your favorite screen for calling and this application will change your entire experience. I hope you like my video. Please hit like and subscribe button and you can easily directly download this application from my description below.